Happy transcended to him. Takeoff was departed from our realm at 2:15 a.m. at a Houston bowling alley. And from the way things look, he was that guy, that was like in the background, kind of with the Migos, and maybe, he was put on a offer up. Maybe he was sent to the chopping block to further the career of Quavo and Offset. But we'll know more later. For now, yeah, sad day. His last name was Ball. Maybe he's related to LeVar Ball and if anyone, kind of thinks the same thing, maybe you should leave something in the comment. But it's just like crazy for today. Yeah, broke out over a dice game. Like, are y'all serious? I always got a story. I bet it was an isolated incident. Something they can cover up over a dice game. Yeah, right. Very sad. Very.